Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm gonna show you how to write a description in your profile in Fiverr. So we are now here on the buyer's page. Just click on switch to selling and you'll be redirected here. Click on your profile logo on the top right hand corner. You'll see all of these options, your profile, settings, and many more, and just click on profile. After that, we'll be redirected here and you'll see all these options, your drafts, your active gigs. You can preview your profile, edit your display name below here. Just scroll down a little. You'll see the description, languages, skills, education, and certification. And here on the description, just click on edit description and this will pop up. And now you can type what you want. Just edit like that. You can type whatever you want and delete whatever you want. After you have decided what you want to put there, just click on update and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.